Welcome. If you're here, you probably want to make sure you never miss an important Instagram notification, even when your phone is on silent. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable Vibrate for Instagram's other notifications, with the latest steps updated for 2025. Follow along and you'll be set up in just a couple of minutes. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control everything about your phone, including how apps send you notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now look for Instagram in that list. You might need to scroll a bit if you have lots of apps, but once you find Instagram, tap on it. This opens up the app's specific settings, where you can manage permissions, storage, and most importantly for today, notifications. Next, tap on the Notifications option. This is where you'll see all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you, from direct messages to likes, comments, and more. Scroll through until you see a section labeled Other. This is where Instagram groups notifications that don't fit into the main categories. Tap on Other. Here you'll see a variety of options, including the ability to toggle vibration on or off. To make sure your phone vibrates for these notifications, simply find the Vibrate option and switch it on. You should see the toggle turn a different color, indicating that vibration is now enabled. And that's it. From now on, whenever you get an Other notification from Instagram, your phone will vibrate, even if it's in silent mode. This is perfect for staying in the loop without constantly checking your screen or missing important updates. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Stay connected and see you in the next video.